Good morning! Today with a little bit of music to be a bit more entertaining while talking about things to improve your life, practical advices for you to be more efficient, be more happy, and to feel more. See, let's talk about cosmetics. And in today's society, everybody wants to be pretty. Everybody wants to be at the same time healthy and natural. And see, that's a God thing. The most important thing is to know that beauty and health is within. You don't necessarily have to buy certain products in order to be healthy or in order to be pretty. You can be that just by using basic things which are free. Now, consider the fact that I told you that the human body is always detoxifying itself. It always tries to be self-sustaining. Now, you want to be able to ingest things through your portals which benefit you. Now, if you look at the detoxification process, you detoxify yourself by 70% over your breath. This is why I say make use of the bioenergetic stool, right? Lean over something, open up your back, open up your lungs, and be able to breathe deeper into yourself. Breathe with your whole body. Breathe into the whole lung. Open it up. Open your spine. Now, just by breathing better, you are releasing all of that dirty shit you were ingesting. 20% over your detoxification process comes over sweating, over your skin. This is why I say it's important that you are consuming clean, pure, if possible, distilled waters or your own waters, because these waters, they have more space to carry inorganic things which should not belong inside of you. These things are causing your problems. These things are making you sick. Inorganic matter, heavy metals, right? Salts, these things should get out of you. Inorganics, release them through pure water. Now, the rest 10% is coming over your stool by just literally being able to shit better. You should be able to go into the full squat position and do your stool in this position. Now, this has a lot of health benefits, especially also for your spine, for your digestive system, for your whole being. Try to always consider your body as something which is completed, which has different systems, like, for example, the digestive system, the nervous system, the lymphatic system, the muscle system, and put these things together. Try to see them as one complete unit. Now, you use something which you put on your skin. These things go inside of you. Your skin is like a membrane. This is why when you take a shower, you're also drinking the water. This is why showers are so beneficial for a lot of people, because these people are dehydrated. Now they go into the shower, they are just drinking the water through their skin. This is why I say, if we consider cosmetics, you should put things onto yourself which you would put inside of your mouth. Now, you wouldn't put that into your mouth, like a specific cream or like mascara for girls, I don't know. You wouldn't put that inside of your mouth. Don't put that on your skin. Why would you? Because these things, they get absorbed. Now, what can we do to have healthy skin, or to be more fluid, sometimes being a bit more dry? We can look into things which we would actually ingest, which we would actually eat. These things would be like oils or spices. We can also make use of these things by just putting these things onto our bodies. Nowadays, coconut oil is pretty much used by a lot of people for cosmetics. Now, this is one step into the more natural solution, but also consider where these things are coming from. Of course, coconut oil is natural, but in order to have coconut oil, you have to buy a product which is produced in a very in a place which is very, very far away. So consider local products, local oils, local vegetables, local spices, local fruits, just local natural things that you would ingest inside of your mouth, things that you would eat. Go with the seasons and use these things as cosmetics. Now, the solution, which is always there and always will be, is water. Now, you clean your house, you use what? You use water. Of course, we can talk about, we use these specific products which has chemicals in it in order to release dirt. But, well, the agent number one, which is releasing all of that dirt, all of that dense material, is water. It's not minerals. Just take minerals as a whole. Take, for example, salt, and use only salt in order to make your house clean. You can't do it. Why? Because salt is not a cleaner. Salt is making things heavy and dirty. Water is carrying these things, water is extracting these things and bounds itself to it, bounds itself to the dirt, and carries it through your whole system out. Now, these dirty things, they go back inside the earth where they should belong, and they stay there. Of course, you can make use of it. This is why vegetables, for example, like roots, are consumed in shamanistic activities to have a certain effect on the side of your body. For example, ginger. Ginger is making yourself warm. We can also talk about the color of ginger, why it is yellow, what it has to do with your glands, with your chakras, why these chakras in the lower side of your body, the denser realms, they are red and yellow. So just go with simple intuition. Go with the things that you are already feeling. Go with the things that you see, smell, hear, and don't get impressed by products which are pre-packed inside of a box. Go the natural way. You don't have to do that, but I would say human beings are naturally drawn to natural products. Why? Because we come out of nature. Of course, we can go inside the rabbit hole or the roller coaster and say, oh yeah, we come out of nature. This is why everything that we create is actually nature. This is certainly true, but there's a big distance between these things we produce and actual things which come out of nature by their own. Yeah, so that's it for now. Just a simple advice for you, for your life. try it out, and yeah, be awesome, be healthy, be strong out of yourself, create something, and that's it for now. Have a good day.